Sustainable initiatives at universities. My name is Michael Ornelas, and my presentation is for It191T Green Supply Chain Management for the winter intersession of 2016. Course instructor, Dr. Arun Nambiar. Sustainable initiatives. Today we'll take a look at sustainable initiatives at California State University at Fresno, Duke University, Colgate University, The Ohio State University, Emory University, Harvard University, Colorado State University, University of California, Berkeley, Stanford University, and wrapping it up at University of Madison, Wisconsin. Wisconsin-Madison. Thinking Green. Thinking Green at California State University, Fresno focuses on energy efficient and renewable energy projects such as photovoltaic canopy parking structures. These structures provide 20% of core campus power, and they offset approximately 950 metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions, which is approximately equivalent to planting over 24,000 trees or eliminating 200 years from our roads. Integrating design construction practices. Facilities management works with contractors and architects to create integrated designs that maximize building infrastructure without sacrificing the environment. Focusing on air quality. Facilities management is working to lower its carbon footprint on campus through conservation, better space utilization, developing green spaces and planting trees, encouraging the use of CNG vehicles, and developing renewable energy projects. Greening interiors development. Facilities management dynamically explores and wherever possible uses greener alternatives in the campus environment. Reaching target. Waste management 100% sorts and recycles. Thinking water smart at Fresno State University. Retooling campus irrigation is retooling automatic sprinkler systems to reach minimal water use possible while still maintaining the health of turf. Farm irrigation uses micro sprinklers on 100% of orchards. As well, uses drip irrigation on 100% of vineyards and vegetable crops. Duke University. Green buildings. Designing buildings that are surrounded by green space is a guiding principle of campus planning at Duke. The university has demonstrated a strong commitment to infill building while preserving and creating green space. With regard to building planning, Duke has made significant commitments to green design and construction, including commitment that all new construction and major renovations will achieve LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, certification standards with the goal of LED Silver certification. Duke currently has 41 LEED certified buildings and 4 buildings registered with LEED for future certification. 28% of Duke University's total square footage is registered or certified LEED. In 2011, Duke's Campus Sustainable Committee drafted a LEED Plus policy that includes a documented process for LEED scorecard development with energy efficient approvals, energy targets by building tech rating, measurement, verification, and reporting of energy consumption versus energy molding, a requirement that all engineering efforts focus on areas outside of energy savings, and that any proposal value engineering items within this category shall be accompanied with a full life cycle cost analysis. Colgate University. Initiatives. Colgate is striving for a goal of carbon neutrality in a number of different ways. Check out the ways that they're doing this in reducing waste and increasing recycling. Since 2008, Colgate has reduced their landfill waste by over 175 tons, or 19%, while their recycling rate has improved from 16% in 2010 to 22% in 2014. This steady progress is a result of improved recycling infrastructure, including recycling bins in student rooms upon request, an electric waste recycling program with 16 stations located throughout the campus, an on-campus composting program led by the Student Composite Club, and improved behaviors led by individuals in their green living and green office programs. The Ohio State University, Ohio State Sustainability Goals, Awareness, Teaching and Learning. Deliver a curriculum that provides Ohio State students at all stages of instruction, from general education to professional and technical programs, with opportunities to understand sustainability holistically, framed by the environment, science, technology, society, the economy, history, culture, and of course politics. 2. Address the complexities of sustainability through a variety of learning formats, strategies, and occasions. Research and innovation. The Ohio State rewards sustainability scholarship, including the scholarship of engagement, by providing incentives for students, faculty, and staff to make discoveries and stimulate creative efforts that promote and achieve sustainability. Magnify sustainability scholarly output and impact to create new knowledge, solve real-world problems, including for our own operations, and increase Ohio State's national, international reputation as a sustainable research leader. Emory University Transportation Initiative. Emory's extensive commute options program includes free transit passes for the city's MARTA transit system to Emory staff enrolled as alternative commuters. The Cliff Shuttle System, which is one of the largest bus systems in Metro Atlanta. Every month, approximately 240,000 faculty, students, and staff ride this 100% alternatively fueled system, which powers the fleet of shuttles on biodiesel made from recycled cooking oil from Emory's cafeterias and hospitals. Bike Emory, a bike program in partnership with Fuji Bikes and Bicycle South, which includes a bike rental program on Emory's main campus and bike share program at Oxford College. Bike Emory also partners with Bicycle South to provide a bike repair unit inside Dobbs University Center and offers discounted bikes and accessories for staff and students. Zimride, Georgia's first ever ride matching service using a social networking website. Harvard University, Beyond the Bottle Initiative. The student-run Environmental Action Committee is running a Beyond the Bottle campaign to reduce the use of disposable plastic bottles on campus. The Office for Sustainability and FAST operation teams are partnering with students to establish a pilot program to install new filtered water stations at key locations. The Harvard Law School's Worsterton Hall Carperson Student Center clinical wing was designed to discourage bottled water use by including refill stations throughout the building to refill water bottles and mugs. Many other schools have installed refill stations to discourage bottled water use, including Harvard Medical School, Holyoke Center, Harvard Graduate School of Education and Faculty of Arts and Sciences. The Harvard Faculty Club recently eliminated use of bottled water in their restaurant and for events. The dining halls have filtered water dispensers for students. The Harvard School of Public Health has banned the sale of bottled water in Sebastian's Cafe. Some schools, including the Graduate School of Education, have created maps to show their community where they can refill their reusable mugs and water bottles. At commencement, instead of water bottles, Harvard University used 5-gallon bottles of water to discourage waste. Colorado State University, Green Dining and Composting Initiative. Organic or locally grown. More than 20% of the food served in California State University's dining centers is organic or locally grown and or supplied. Trayless dining. Trayless dining at Colorado State reduces plate waste at dining centers by 40%. Combustible to-go containers. These containers eliminate more than 350,000 styrofoam containers from the landfill each year. Food donations. Leftover, unserved food from the dining centers is donated to local Larimer County Food Bank. In 2013, more than 65,000 pounds of food was donated by the dining centers and Mountain Campus. University of California, Berkeley, procurement, initiatives of supply chain management. Continued the printer exchange program, replacing 54 older inefficient ones with only 50 Energy Star rated alternatives. They participated in Millport Sigma's styrofoam and packaging reuse program, implementing one of Sigma's Sustainable Opportunity Dashboard, which provides green stability statistics on solvent usage and packaging waste. Feasibility research on a water-saving autoclave that can reduce water consumption by 90%. Procurement Services now substitutes 100% recycled copy paper for virgin paper using the search function in Bearbuy. Recycled copy paper purchases increased to 88% in 2015. Stanford University. Stanford Energy System Innovations Initiative. Climate change caused by greenhouse gas emissions is the greatest environmental and socioeconomic challenge and opportunity of our time. Stanford has then accepted the challenge of our time and is raising the bar in efficiency to develop global solutions and implement them on campus. In October 2009, Stanford released a comprehensive and long-range energy and climate action plan. Now in its third edition, the plan includes high efficiency standards for new buildings, continued efficiency improvements for existing buildings, and the cutting-edge energy supply system known as Stanford Energy System Initiatives, SESI project. By the end of 2016, this new system, along with Stanford's solar power procurement, will reduce campus emissions by 68% from current levels. In its first year of operation, it has served 18% of campus potable water. The University of Wisconsin-Madison We Conserve Initiative. In early 2006, facilities planning and management staff at the university reassessed campus energy use and determined that additional gains were possible, particularly in the areas of heating and cooling. In April, the campus launched the We Conserve program with a goal of reducing campus energy use by an additional 20% by the year 2010. By the end of 2010, We Conserved exceeded its primary goal by achieving a 25% annual energy reduction to 2006 levels. The reduction in savings achieved by We Conserve include energy use, 1.2 trillion BTUs annually, carbon dioxide emissions, 125,000 metric tons annually, water use, 178 million gallons annually, diesel fuel use, 10,000 gallons annually, utility cost, $13 million annually. Sustainability development is defined as sustainable development is a concept that refers to development where emphasis is shifted from short-term economic gains to a more long-term approach where there is a balance between economic, social, and environmental considerations. Sustainable development requires an integrated approach to decision-making, linking the economy, the environment, and society rather than a piecemeal approach. Development of this type is a complex process of interaction between public authorities, civil society, and the private sector. Sustainability has similar meaning as sustainable development, but is used when the focus is more narrow, such as sustainability within companies or the sustainability of specific projects. Thank you.